Hello everyone, I Vatsal welcome you all to my channel, and today I am going to show you how to update Windows 10 to Windows 11 or how to upgrade Windows 10 system to Windows 11. So for this what you have to do is just open your browser, go to the search bar and type Windows 11 download, and after this just hit enter. Now just click on this first link, download Windows 11 Microsoft. Now scroll down, so you will see this Windows 11 installation assistant. Just click on the download now button to download it. Let me just paste it on the desktop. Now just double click on this Windows 11 installation assistant. Click on yes. So it is saying use the PC Health Checkup app to check compatibility. So now what you have to do is just click on this link, get PC Health Check app. Now just click on this link, download PC Health Check app. Now just double click on this PC Health Check app. Now just check this box, I accept the terms in the license agreement, and click on the install button. Click on the finish button, and now we will check whether our system is compatible with Windows 11 or not. So now just click on this check now button. So it says that this PC meets Windows 11 requirements, which means that I can install Windows 11 on my system. There is no issue. So if in your system it is showing the same message, then you can also install Windows 11 on your system. But if it is not showing this message in your system and it is showing something else, then you will not be able to install Windows 11 on your system. Now after this just click on the close button. Close this window also, and now just click on the refresh button. So now we can install Windows 11. So just click on this accept and install button. So our Windows 11 downloading has started. So our Windows 11 downloading is now complete. And now it is installing Windows 11. So our Windows 11 is now installed. Now just click on the restart now button. Click on the close button. Now you have to enter your account password, and after this just hit enter. So now the Windows 11 is now installed on your system. So this is how you can update your Windows 10 system to Windows 11. So that's it from my side. If you like my video, you can click on the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.